Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this very cute peachy corally look. It is perfect for summer because this heat is no joke. Currently in my hometown, just today it was like 113. It was wild. It's still really hot outside, but anyways, I created this look. I try to use as many corally peachy colored products as I could. If you guys aren't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit like on this video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get onto the tutorial. The first thing I'm taking is the MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm just going to go ahead and rub that on my face. Next, I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus, let it dry, and then we're going to go ahead and go in with our foundation. And I'm using the Maybelline 24 Hour in number 220, and we're going to use our Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge to blend that all in. Next, you guys already know the drill. I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead under my eyes, on my chin, on my forehead, and we're going to use the same sponge to go ahead and blend it out. To bake the face, I'm going to go ahead and use the RCMA No Color Powder. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and contour / bronze up my face, and I'm using the MAC Give Me Sun Bronzer on a Morphe E4 brush. Now we're just going to go ahead and dust off that bake, and we're just using a big no-name powder brush. For blush, we're using this very cute peachy pink blush by Kat Von D in the shade Por Vida, and I'm using a Morphe E3 brush. Now for highlighting, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peach Nectar and So Hollywood on a Morphe M501 brush, and we're just going to go ahead and put that on the top of our cheeks, on the bridge of our nose and the tip of our nose, the cupid's bow, the forehead, and above the eyebrows. To make sure that everything is nice and blended, I'm going to go ahead and take the Luxie brush in 508. It's a big duo fiber brush, and we're just going to blend. Moving on, I did fill in my eyebrows, and I did not include that in the video because I will be filming a eyebrow tutorial. But I went ahead and also primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm taking the shade Eden on a Morphe M576 brush. And we're going to go ahead and pack that on our crease, and we're just going to go ahead and blend that out. Moving on to the next palette, I'm using the Too Faced Peach palette. Duh, it made sense I'd use this palette for this peachy look. But I'm taking the shade, I believe it's Candid Peach on a Morphe M433, and we're going to go ahead and put that under that Eden shade, and we're just going to go ahead and pack and blend that out. To add more depth to the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take that shade on the bottom. It's called Summer Yum, and I'm taking it on the same Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the outer V of our eyes, and we're just going to go ahead, pat and blend out and repeat the steps. Now we're going to go ahead and start cutting the crease, and I'm using the Shape Tape Concealer on a Morphe M421, and you want to go ahead and do this very carefully. I'm not the best at this, but just have some patience with me, and we're going to go ahead and cut that crease. Going back to that peach palette, we're going to go ahead and get the shade Just Peachy on a Luxie 213 brush, and we're going to go ahead and pack that on the lid over top the concealer. To make sure that everything is nice and blended, I'm going back with the Morphe M433 brush and that Summer Yum shade. And I'm going to go ahead and start blending out the outer V. And then you also see me going with the Morphe 576 brush, and it's just to further blend out the eyeshadow. So my eyeshadow was being a little bit difficult, but I went back with the BH Cosmetics number 13 brush, and I took the shade Saturn from the Prism palette by Anastasia, and I just started blending that out on the outer V as well. To make that lid pop even more, I'm going in with the ColourPop Twitter Padded Super Shock Shadow, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my lid with my finger. I struggled a lot because I have long nails, but I got it done. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to go ahead and take another ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, and this is the shade Fringe. I'm just going to go ahead and pop that on with a Morphe small pencil brush. You guys, I love this shade for the inner corners. It is so beautiful. I can't live without it anymore. So I did skip over the eyeliner, but I did use the NYC Liquid Black Liner. But now I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash line. And I'm taking that Luxie brush number 213, and I'm using the Anastasia colors Eden and Saturn from the Prism palette, and we're just going to go ahead and blend that along the lower lash line. For lashes, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Morphe lashes in the style Chummy. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Give Me a Kiss lip liner. Now for the actual lipstick color, I'm going to go ahead and take this beautiful coral shade, and it is the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick and the shade Melted Coral, and we're just going to go ahead and apply that all over. I meant when I said I'd use all my peach related products, so now I'm taking the Too Faced Peach Mist, and we're just going to go ahead and spray that all over our face to set our makeup. And there you guys have it. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this peachy tutorial. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and if you guys have any suggestions for future tutorials, go ahead and write that in the comments down below. I love you guys and see you guys on the next one. Bye.